Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Merry Christmas! We have another unboxing. Very exciting. Now for this unboxing, I'm actually doing something a little bit different. Ipsy put out something that was called the Party Pouch Gift Box. So it comes with several different little gift bags like this, and each one has a different mystery item in it. And they said that it could come from cosmetics like Glam Glow, the Balm Cosmetics, Morphe, Benefit, and so many more. So the box came with 6 different pouches. I bought 2 single pouches just so that we can do a comparison to see if they all have the same thing or if they have different products inside. The gray skincare, the gray bag has skincare. The teal bag has Bath and Body. The teal bag has Bath and Body products. The burgundy bag has lip products. The white bag has hair care products. The pink has tools or complexion products. And the midnight blue has eye products. Okay, let me get a sip of coffee. The box came packaged like this. So when you open up the box, it looks like this. And oh boy, look at all those bags. Oh, fun. Let's start in the order that they have them listed here. The gray is the skincare bag. Now these bags feel really, really, really nice, but it feels like there's only one product in there. I wasn't expecting just one. I thought there was going to be a few different products in here. Singularly, these cost $3 a piece, which I guess for $3 you would only get one product. I don't know what I was thinking. And the whole box itself cost $15. So in the gray bag, let's open her up and see what we got. We got Gold Faden MD Problem Uneven Skin Tone Solution Vital Boost Even Skin Tone Daily Moisturizer with vitamin D, hyaluronic acid, and gooseberry. I do have an eye cream from them that I got, I think, also in an Ipsy. So this is exciting. I'll try this. I definitely have uneven skin tone. There's lots of foundation on this piece right here. All right, the next one is teal, which is Bath and Body. I think this is teal, right? Again, very, very pretty bags. It's very, very soft and very velvety. Let's see what we got here. We have AHAVA. Is that a HAVA or is it an acronym? For Dead Sea Water Mineral Body Lotion. I'll probably get some use out of that after my 500 million other body lotions that I have to use that I've gotten in these subscription boxes. I think I'll put this in the giveaway. Then we are going with the Burgundy Bag, which is this one right here. This is the lip product. INM, hashtag INM heart frozen lipstick. Oh, I'm not missing out. That's what the brand is. I'm not missing out. In the shade Runway Red. Well, I actually just recently bought these shades. I bought 3 of them off eBay. So I already have it. I don't need 4 of them. So I'm also going to put this in the giveaway. Lucky you guys. This is a very, very beautiful shade, actually. I'm going to open it up for you. And I'll swatch the one that I have so you guys can see it. It's got a spray painted gold on there, but that doesn't really actually show up on the lips. But it is a very, very pretty kind of not super, super pigmented red. So if you like a more natural looking red, this is definitely the shade for you. It's really, really pretty. That is going to go in the giveaway. Let me swatch the one I have for you. Digging through my handy dandy drawer, oh stuff. Here we go. It smells delicious. It smells like some kind of peppermint. See, it's not the most pigmented red. It really goes on and it performs with a much more neutral, subtle looking red. So for the people that are just starting to think, hey, maybe I should wear red lipstick, this one's for you. Okay, the next bag is the pink bag, which is tools or complexion products. Let's see what we got. It is Pixie by Petra in the shade Whisper Pink. It's very, very pretty. It looks like it's a little shimmery. Not bad at all. And last but not least, we got the Midnight Blue, which is the eye products. And I got a black mascara, Benefit Roller Lash. Looks like this. Cute packaging.
Editing Cynthia here. While filming, I forgot to include the white bag, which was supposed to be the hair care bag. It included the Brio Geo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray.
Now, we do have 2 more bags just for comparison to see if they all had the same thing or if there was some variations. So we have an extra one of the eye product right here and an extra one of the tool or complexion product right here. So for the eye one, we got, well, it's another mascara, but it is a different mascara. So we got Thrive Cosmetics, and I actually have the full size of this. This is Beauty with a Purpose in the shade Bryn Rich Black for length and volume. So like I said, I already have the full size of this, so this also will be going in the giveaway. I'll show you what it looks like. The packaging looks like this. This giveaway box is getting quite big. And the last but not least, this is the duplicate of the complexion products in this pink bag. And there is another Pixie blush in the exact same shade, Whisper Pink. So I guess this is also going in the giveaway. I do not need 2 of these. So Merry Christmas to somebody. All right, that is it for the mystery bags. So if you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. There will be a giveaway soon because I'm just going to keep adding to the box. So stay tuned, ring the bell so you can get my notifications on when I post videos. And that is all for this video. Thank you very much and see you next time.